Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can customize notifications icon on status bar in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, you should know what is status bar. Just here at the first line, you will see timing, then gear icon, then one notification icon, and here something like network and battery. So this is called status bar. If you want to customize notification icons in status bar, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone here and click on notifications and status bar, and here select status bar and click on notification icons, and first option is selected by default, show icons. So notification icons are showing in this status bar, so it's showing the thumbnail of the notification. For example, here email is received, so email thumbnail is showing there. If you select show number, then it will show number. Only 2 is showing here, so 2 notifications icon are there and 2 notifications are showing. If you select don't show, then notifications icon will not be showing on the status bar. So in this way you can easily customize between 3 options: show icons, that is notification icons; show number, how many notifications are received; and then finally don't show, nothing will be shown in the status bar for notification icons in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. In this way you can easily customize notifications icons in status bar of your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.